Why not keep a smile on the face for the whole day? It not only boosts your own happiness but also creates positive vibes for those around you. So, hello everyone, my name is Prachi and today I would like to tell you about Indian economy. But before moving to that topic, I would like to introduce you with the terms economy and GDP. So, economy represents the production, distribution, consumption of goods and services in a given geographical area. So, the study of economy is important because it tells us about the financial condition of that particular country. So, like we can differentiate between developing and developed country with the help of the study of economy. So, where a particular country stands in terms of financial condition, that can be known with the help of economy. So, now let's talk about GDP. You must have heard about GDP before. GDP stands for Gross Domestic Product, and the value of all the final goods and services in a nation within the boundary of the country. That means in a time period of 1 year is known as the GDP, and that 1 year is from April 1st to 31st March. So now let's talk about Indian economy. Guys, Indian economy is one of the largest and fastest growing economy in the world. USA, China, Japan, Germany, India are the largest economies of the world. So, during British rule, Indian economy was limited to agrarian-based economy only. Post-independence, India has transformed itself to one which is service-based from agrarian-based economy. So, according to the GDP report of 2024, India ranks 5th in today, and also India boasts swift growth fueled by various sectors that includes manufacturing, technology, etc. And today India is involved in many world organization and actively participating in the world trade. Thank you. That's all for today. Have a good day.